Hey guys, I hope you're all okay. So I thought I would throw it back and do a classic get ready with me. It was my friend's birthday and we went out for a bottomless brunch. I don't drink, so it was just a brunch for me. But I thought I would just film my makeup for you guys and get ready with you. This reminds me of classic old school YouTube, which is my favorite. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys, and this was me just discovering a spot for the first time. Just thought I'd show you and include that in. But yeah, if you guys want to get ready with me, then please keep watching.
We can't let you go. Can't let you we sit, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And
I thought I would quickly jump back on just to show you guys how I do the top of my hair with this crimper. So my hair needed washing. I'm sure anyone who is familiar with my channel is not surprised at that. What I do is I actually use the crimper upside down for the top bit, just so that I don't get the mark of the first wand at the top. I don't know if that makes sense. If you have this crimper, then you probably know what I mean. But I just use it from upside down for the whole bit of the top. You can use this way the whole time. I always forget and I can never be bothered, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, I use some more dry shampoo. It's fine because it's like a powder. It just like disappears when you scrub it in a bit. And then yeah, just crimp all the hair. And then I spray it with an absolute load of hairspray, because I don't know about anybody else's hair, but my hair cannot hold anything. The only thing it can hold is straight, because my hair just goes dead straight the second that I finish. So I hairspray absolutely everything of my hair, and I give it a little bit of a tease. I do a little bit of a back comb. Why can't I talk, I wonder? A little bit of a back comb, a little bit of a tease, zhuzh it up, hairspray everything, blah, 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 blah. And then I add 2 little clips to the side, the less side, not the bigger portion, because I did a side part today as well. It's a little bit new for me. And the clips were in a little pack that I got from Primark. So extremely affordable if you guys want to recreate them or use the clips for something else. I just thought it added a little bit more glam, and I'm all about anything that sparkles, anything that's glam, anything that's bougie. Yes, please, Sophie, be bougie. And then that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this old school get ready with me. I have another one coming. If you want it, let me know, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye.